This year for Earth Day, the Project O educators decided to take a trip over to Pine Island, which is a small remote island off the coast of Avery Point that we visit very often for summer camps, and it's only reachable by boat or by swimming. So we hopped in our skiffs, we grabbed our blue buckets, and we went out looking for trash. We found some pretty large pieces, like this wooden piece that Captain Ian had found, but we also were interested in looking into the sand and seeing if there were any smaller plastic particles. So we used this sieve to try to filter out some larger pieces, and luckily we actually didn't find very many plastic pieces this way at all. So we only spent about 30 minutes with 4 different people collecting trash along the beaches. And during this time, we found a whopping 165 items, which totaled about 21 pounds of trash.
Hi, it's Debbie from Project Oceanology. I'm here on Pine Island with our crew doing a little Earth Day beach cleanup. Come check out some of the stuff we found. As part of our cleanup, we like to pick up all the types of garbage that's safe for us to touch. We'll bring it back and dispose of it safely on shore. A lot of what we find out here on the island is from users of the island, people who come out here to enjoy the beautiful view or the great fishing. So we found beverage bottles of people who were out here. We also found pieces of foam, which we believe might be from fenders or floating docks, maybe even a styrofoam cooler. We also found some recreational equipment, a couple of balls, and some fishing equipment, lots of fishing gear. So this big yellow cage right here is what's left of a lobster trap. This piece also is the escape hatch that's usually found on lobster traps, plus tons of line, rope, and fishing hooks all mixed in here. That was wrapped up in the rack line. I couldn't even get all the algae out of it. We also found a flip-flop, somebody's shoe, made its way on shore, plus some more metal containers, what we believe might be shaving cream? Spray paint? Not sure. And then finally some discarded sundries, including a bit of hose and a giant box that once contained squid. If you want to do a beach cleanup in honor of Earth Day, it's really easy. All we brought with us were some buckets, a trash bag, some gloves to protect our hands in case we needed to touch something sharp or sticky. And then once we're done, we like to enter what we found on the Clean Swell app through the Ocean Conservancy. Then we can add our beach cleanup to a whole database of beach cleanups all over the world.
We encourage you to help clean our oceans by doing your own Earth Day cleanup.